Hello everyone, I am Aditya Verma. I come from Uttar Pradesh. So today we are here in
Uttar Pradesh, which players?
Muradabad,
Muradabad.
in Uttar Pradesh. So
You are in first year
yeah,
discipline? Discipline branch?
chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay, go ahead.
So today we are here in the village Swameshwarpur, which is located near to the Kharagpur. So we are Unit 1 and we are a group of 35 people. So we have assigned to dig the ditch of approximate 2 feet, and our length stretches from this temple
This
to
temple too? Huh.
that near to the hand pump.
Okay. Right.
So what we do is in the morning we come here, and from 8:30 to 12:30 we do the work, and after the lunch break we are some seminars and guest lectures are there to teach us
Right.
many
So-
life values.
So this work has been done. I mean, this is the nth day. If it is nth, what is the value of
Yeah.
n?
Today is the 5th day of our
Fifth
camp.
day of your camp.
Yeah. This camp is of a week long.
7 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this labor work is not.
Yeah, again, you introduce yourself first, please.
So I'm Nikunj Mathagaria. I'm also a first year student, and I'm in physics department.
And
of IT
native
Kharagpur.
place?
So yes.
Native place?
I am from Kolkata.
Oh, you're from Kolkata.
So
So you understand Bengali. I mean,
Yes.
this population, you can interact. Yeah, go ahead.
This labor work is not the only thing we did.
Mhm.
We every unit had to do one nukkad also. So we practiced and performed a nukkad yesterday.
Oh, you have already done it.
Yes.
Okay. What was your theme?
Our theme was
Overpopulation.
effects of rising population.
Oh, great. Somebody has recorded, I believe, that Lucas. Okay, would love to see that. Put it in YouTube or some other place.
Okay.
Okay.
So we were given 2 days to get a full-fledged nukkad ready,
Right.
and we performed it yesterday.
Right.
We have to write the script as well as the acting part
Right.
and perform it yesterday.
Right.
So we divided us among nukkad people and non-nukkad people, and the non-nukkad people did the labor work while the nukkad people practiced their
Practice this.
nukkad.
Right. Could you please? Yeah.
Hello, my name is Divya Jyoti Nayak. I come from Odisha, but I
Which
technically-
place in Odisha?
I was born in Odisha, but I live in Bangalore.
Oh, you live in Bangalore. Yes.
I am also a first year student from IIT Kharagpur, and I'm
Branch?
from the Department of Aerospace Engineering.
You're responsible. So, how is your experience?
It's been pretty good so far. We have, manual labor. Nobody wants to do it, but it needs to be done to
Right.
help all these people. If we won't do it, then who would? And one of the fun things about this camp is writing down our experiences in our diaries when we go back and reliving the moments we have here,
Right.
and spending time with new people.
Mhm.
I've recently just known them, and
Mhm.
we've grown pretty well together.
Very good. Yes, please.
My name is Sujal Bhagat. I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and my department is Metallurgical and Material Science. Well, it's the 4th day of this NSS unit activity, and
Right.
it's quite fun. Means with spending time with friends and doing this hard work. So, first it was very
Maybe you made more friends here than your orientation program. Huh?
There were many people who we interacted in the camp. Whom we got to know in the camp also.
Right.
And the nukkad people became a family itself.
Okay. That happens. Formal, setup often, doesn't bring out the spontaneous part of you. So here, I believe you can interact with each other in much more,
While working, we
effective
also
way.
shared some stories and our past experience. So we
Right,
got to
right.
know each other very better.
Right.
Like we work in shifts, obviously. We
Because,
don't have
yeah.
a lot of tools.
Right.
So we work in shifts, and about 1/4 of the people work at a time.
Mhm.
So the rest 3/4 people talk among themselves, socialize
Right.
with each other,
That's
and
good.
enjoy
That's good.
themselves.
Being away from family in first year, always you are, challenged in some sense. Okay, I think you have not.
I am Subham. I am from Agriculture Department of IIT Kharagpur. I am from Bihar,
Okay.
Patna.
What's it?
And the best part of this NSS camp is that I like personally the group work. We enjoy the group work because we not only do the hard work, we also have very much fun with the friends. And before this camp, I was little bit introvert.
Okay.
Introvert to some people like girls.
Uh-huh.
But here coming to this,
No,
I
that
start-
happens
Yeah, I
at
started
this age.
talking
Yeah.
to many more people,
Right.
and many more people come to recognize me, and that's the best part I like about
Right,
the camp,
right.
that interaction with the people. And
So I believe the amount of work you have done in 4 days is quite, good, isn't it? I mean, being that you are not used to.
some of the members were there who
We
really
also
worked
have-
hard.
हाँ.
rather than
We were also facing many problems like
Like
big
there
boulders
was
which
too
we
much
हाँ,
had
हाँ,
all
हाँ,
around
our
us.
that is
instruments
there.
were broken sometimes.
Right. ठीक है, I think it's a good experience for you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.